Wake up, my dear. This is your day. A fresh chance, a new beginning, a powerful new opportunities to rise stronger, think bigger, and live brighter than ever before. Take a deep breath in. Feel the energy of life flowing through you. Feel your heart beating with purpose. Today is not an extraordinary day. Today is a gift, and you are ready to shine. Every breath you take fills you with strength, confidence, and positivity. You are alive, awake, and excited for the opportunities ahead of you. Today you choose happiness. Today you choose growth. Today you choose greatness. You welcome this day with passion, purpose, and unstoppable energy. You are grateful for another chance to live, love, grow, and succeed. Every sunrise reminds you that your life is filled with endless possibilities. You are strong, you are fearless, you are capable of achieving incredible things. Your mind is sharp, focused, and powerful. You trust your journey and honor your progress. Challenges do not stop you, they make you stronger. You rise above fear, doubt, and negativity. Confidence flows naturally through you. You radiate courage, positivity, and powerful energy everywhere you go. You are always motivated, disciplined, and unstoppable. You take action toward your dreams with passion and confidence. Success is flowing into your life right now. Every step you take creates a brighter, stronger, and more successful future. Opportunities are everywhere around you. You attract abundance, success, happiness, and meaningful connections. You refuse to settle for less than your highest potential. You are becoming stronger, wiser, healthier, and more successful every single day. You were born to create, inspire, and achieve greatness. Now repeat after me. I am powerful. I am focused. I am grateful. I am unstoppable. Today I rise with energy. Today I rise with confidence. Today I rise with purpose. No obstacle can break my spirit. No challenge can stop my growth. I have everything within me. I create an extraordinary life. And today, I step fully into my power. This is my time. This is my life. I will live this day with passion and purpose. I am ready. I am energized. I am grateful to be alive. And today, amazing things are coming my way.